There is a reason people call us Mr. Rescue, because our response is always to rescue you from your any plumbing or drain problem. We do residential, commercial, and industrial plumbing, emergency plumbing, drain cleaning, water heaters, trenchless sewers, and much more that you need for plumbing or drainage. Our technicians, our workers make our team a rescue team in the response time. Our response time is less than 45 minutes. No other plumbing company in Bay Area guarantees that response time that we do. Our trucks are fully equipped with the parts, material. We have everything stocked, so the job done is right first time in a quick, timely manner.
We're available 365 days out of the year. We don't charge anything extra for overtime, weekends, holidays.
We give one upfront price, and at the end of the job, we have the same price. So we tell a customer before we do any work what is going to cost them to fix the problem right first time. We have 10% off all the times for all our new customers. Existing customers get 15% off any next service that they do.